Hey everyone, Professor Baldwin here. We're going to look at another example of solving a system of equations graphically. And this time one of our equations has a fraction. So remember, when you're solving graphically, you need to be in slope-intercept form, or y equals mx plus b. So your first step is to always rewrite your given equations so that they're in that slope-intercept y equals mx plus b format. So our first equation, x minus y equals 2, we're going to subtract x from both sides, which leaves us with negative y equals negative x plus 2. Remember, we need y, not negative y, so we'll divide each term by negative 1. That leaves us with y equals x minus 2. Now we'll look at the second equation. 1/2 x plus y equals 4. Now, don't freak out that there's a fraction in front of the x, because it's in front of the x, and the value in front of your x is always your m, or your slope. So, let's just worry about isolating y. To do that, we're going to subtract 1/2 x from both sides, which leaves y equals negative 1/2 x plus 4. So see, we didn't even have to mess with that fraction. We just had to isolate y, and it shifted the x with its slope, the negative 1/2 fraction, to the right-hand side. Now we need to graph each of these lines. And remember, when you're graphing, you always start with that y-intercept first. So our first line, the y-intercept, is negative 2. So we plot negative 2, and then our slope, there's no number in front of the x, so it's implied that it's a 1. So our slope is 1, or 1 over 1. Remember, that's your rise and your run. So we go up 1, right 1. And we do that a few times so that I can draw a straight line. And then we go and do the same process with our second line. So start with that y-intercept. Here it's a positive 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our slope is negative 1/2. So it's already in a fraction, which is great. So we have our rise and our run. So our rise is negative 1 and our run is 2. So we need to go down 1 and then right 2. And we do that again, down 1, right 2. And there we intersect. Down 1, right 2. Should have enough to get a straight line. There we go. And we found that point of intersection, which is our solution. So we need to find the x and the y value. So the x is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the y value is a positive 2. So the point 4, 2 is where these two lines intersect and is the graphical solution for this system of equations.